In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share Google Map location with someone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Google Maps app. And then just search for a location you would like to share. You can use search to search for some specific location, and also you can just find a location you would like to share on map. After that, just tap at that location. In this way, we need to tap and hold to place this pin on map, and once we've done that, we need just to drag it to the left until we find share, and after that we need to tap on it, and then we can share it in some different ways. So we can use any messenger, any social media platform right from that toolbar, and also we can tap right here at copy. What that will do, that will copy the link to the particular location to the clipboard, and after that we can, let's say, go to messages and then just paste that URL and then just send it to our friend. That's how you can easily share Google Maps location.